Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I want to talk about using constants in your C code, okay? So I've included the purpose of the video up here in a comment, and I've got my header file included already. I'm going to start with my main function. And with a comment, once you assign a comment, or a constant rather, you can't change it. So if you're wanting to maybe have a comment or a constant rather, that something that you're going to reuse, the same value you're going to reuse throughout the program, and you know it's going to be the same value, you want to use a constant. Okay, so use if you want to keep the same value throughout the program. And the other thing is it's only valid in the function that you assign it in. Okay, so that's a little bit about constants. Now let's talk about how we're actually going to assign a constant. So I'm going to do this keyword const, and then whatever type it is. So let's say I have a float and it's pi and it equals 3.1415. And now I can use it throughout the program. So let's say I want to print f and say something like 2 pi equals, and I want to format it, and I format it just like it is a regular float, so I can format it that way. So let's have 2 decimal points. So we have 0.2f, escape to a new line, and then we're going to do 2 times this constant pi. Okay. Next line, we can print f. We can say something like pi divided by 2 equals, I should have equals above, fix that, equals, and I can do percentage, and maybe I want 4 decimal points, okay? And we escape to a new line, and we do pi divided by 2, okay? And then we can use it again. We can say printf pi plus 1 equals, and let's format this one to 1 decimal point, okay? And then we'll slash n for a new line, and then we do pi plus 1, okay? At the end of this function, we'll return 0, and we'll close out the function and save it, and let's compile it. Let's open up the terminal. So we'll type gcc constants.c-output constant, or constants. Now let's run the program. And you'll see that it prints out 2 pi equals 6.28. Pi divided by 2 equals 1.5707 because we put it to 4 decimal places, and pi plus 1 equals 4.1 because we have rounded to 1 decimal place. Anyways, so that's a little bit about constants in C. If you found this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.